After installing your McAfee software to your first computer or device, you can easily install it to a second device. Here's how. Log in to home.mcafee.com and, after logging in, click Download. Under My Apps, select the app that you want to install onto the other device, then click Send Link. You can send the link via email or SMS. Let's use email. Open the email on the device that you want to install to, then tap or click Download Now. In the App Store, tap Get and install your app in the usual way.